Well, by the thumbnail, you think I'm going to be doing it. Oh no, it's just a quick one. I'm going to be doing it tomorrow on a live. I can't go out at all tomorrow. I've got to wait for a delivery to come. So, we're going to be doing that. They do two different ones. I want to do three. They do one which is a medium. This is a hot sauce 12 out of 10. And they also do a black label one. I never got that one because that's a 16 out of 10. I got the 12 out of 10. I've been dying to get this for ages. They didn't have any in, but then I got it from Amazon. And it's come today. So I'm going to do that tomorrow on a live. It'll just be on my phone. So look out for that, and we'll have a little crack for an hour or two. Just to mess around. Because I say I can't go out and I was supposed to have a delivery today and it never turned up. It's coming tomorrow instead now. Between 8 and 6. So I can't go out at all. So we'll have a crack at that, eh? So come in tomorrow and we'll see what it says on the tin. We'll see if it does what it says on the tin. Well, you won't find out till the next day, but we'll see. See you tomorrow.